How to fix TikTok not showing your video to others. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Sometimes this video occurs if you have set your privacy settings to only me. So go ahead and open the TikTok application and then go to your video that others are not being able to see. Further, tap on the three dots you see there and then tap on the privacy settings and then go ahead and set the who can watch radio button to everyone. And also make sure to turn on allow comments, do it, stitch, and see if that helps. And if the video is not yet available, then go to your TikTok profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Here, tap on privacy and make sure private account is disabled, and if private account is enabled, then disable the private accounts, as private accounts get limited reach. See if that helps, and if not, then sometimes the TikTok tests your videos and the videos might be in testing phases. So the first 30 to 120 minutes is the test audience, and if the engagement is still low, then it reaches lows, and this could be normal. Make sure not to delete it and repost the video immediately. Also, while posting your video, make sure to avoid community guideline risk content, such as avoid reusing content without edits, avoid watermarks from Instagram or Reels logos. Also, make sure to avoid violence, hate, misinformation videos, and also avoid low quality or blurry videos. See if that helps, and if not, then you could be posting too frequently, as posting too frequently can limit reach. So, if you are uploading 10 to 15 videos a day, then limit your videos to 1 to 3 videos per day and make sure to have minimum of 2 to 3 hours gap while posting the video. Also, if you are using any kind of hashtags, then make sure you are using 3 to 5 relevant hashtags, as wrong hashtags kill the reach. Also, if you are posting someone else's video, then make sure that TikTok prioritizes originality. So, if you are using someone else's video, then you can add voiceovers or captions or crop a remix and change the pacing of that original video. Also, if the issue is not fixed yet, then launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to TikTok and offload the app and reinstall the app again and see if that helps, as doing this will clear the cache. Also, if you are using VPNs and private relay, then disable VPNs for the time being, as TikTok limits VPN traffic. And make sure to post at the right time. For best timings, you can use 7 to 9 a.m. or 12 to 2 p.m. or 7 to 10 p.m. local time, as consistency matters more than virality. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix TikTok not showing your video to others. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.